The area of parallelogram whose sides are represented by vectors j cap plus 3k cap and I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap is. So if you want to find out the value of area of a parallelogram whose sides are represented by, take it as a vector and b vector. So the concept behind this is area of this parallelogram is always equal to magnitude of a vector cross b vector. So if you want to find out the value of area, just find out the magnitude of a vector cross b vector. So let's say our a vector is j cap plus 3k cap, or I can write it as 0 I cap plus j cap plus 3k cap. And our b vector, this b vector is nothing but I cap plus 2j cap minus k cap. Now if you want to find out the value of a cross b, so a vector cross b vector, we will do it like this: I cap, j cap, k cap. Now we can write the a component, that is 0 and 1 and 3, and the b components, that is 1, 2 and minus 1. So you can write magnitude of this or a cross b is equal to I cap into, we'll cancel this column and row, so 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1, then 2 into 6, that 2 into 3, that is 6, so it is minus 6, minus j cap, this 0 into minus 1, that is 0 minus 1 into 3, which is 3, plus k cap into 0 into 2, that is 0 minus 1 into 1, that is 1. So we can write it is minus 7 I cap plus 3 j cap and minus k cap. So this is our a vector cross b vector, but our aim is to find out the magnitude of this a vector cross b vector. So that is equal to under root of minus 7 square, which is 49, plus 3 square, which we can take it as 9, plus minus 1 square, that is 1. So this is going to be a root of 59. So root of 59 is the magnitude of a cross b, or that is the area of parallelogram.